right, let's make some blooms. One of my absolute favorite things to do. I'm using Bond Crafter resin. I might be doing one bloom. Yeah, I think I'm doing one. My resin was 91.2 degrees when I poured out 40 grams for my white. Let's get these little bubbles out of here. Pull them inward so we can burn them off. Okay, I think I got them all up. I had my resin in a vacuum chamber for about, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes, I think. You know, I put it in there, walked away, let it do its thing. Then I got fuzz in there. Ah. Oh, my arm is killing me. I don't know what I did to it, but oh, it hurts. And of course, it's my left arm. Okay, I'm gonna pour some in each one of these. Now, I didn't measure them out. I could real quick. See what I have got. Both of these are 14. And this one is 17. So I'll keep this for my white. Let's get some colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if it'll work. I hope it does. And we'll do 5 in that one and take a look at it. I don't know if I can do too much. Okay, 6 of the cherry Deco Rum and 6 of the blueberry, also Deco Rum. I hope that's not too much and I mess everything up. Okay, let's get these colors in a piping bag. Oh my gosh, my arm. It literally hurts to even raise my arm a little bit. Okay, there's my blue. My red. And my white. It's a beautiful sunny day today. I mowed most of the yard yesterday, so I'm very thankful for that. Okay, I'm sorry if my piping bags are loud. I have a new phone and I know it hears a lot better. So when I was listening to my video I made yesterday, I was like, wow, piping bags are super loud. So if you ever hear it go silent, it's so you don't have to listen to it. Okay, I'm not worrying about getting that all super tight because I can squeeze out the amount I want, you know, the pressure. that one. Boy, this blue kind of reminds me of cake frosting. If I can remember, I'm definitely getting small scissors today. Okay, let's make something. And I hope this blooms. Ooh, that's beautiful. And it's wanting to come out all on its own. Oh, my arm. Oh. Okay, real quick, I'm going to, before I forget what I'm doing, I'm going to curve my ends around. Bring them in a little bit. You don't want big old blobbies. Okay. Man, that blue is absolutely beautiful. My goodness. I bet I got enough room for all of them. Ugh, Amy. I'm pretty dang close to the edge. Okay. Now, make sure we pull these ends in. I'm kind of doing 3 at the same time. Kind of swirling them around. Okay. Now, here, I'm pulling down into the first line. Boom, that's it. There's something right there, darn it. Got it. Wow, that's beautiful. I love it. I think I'm gonna pull down right here too. To there. I just went a little, I didn't go as far as this one. I think I just went to the white. Beautiful, guys. I love it so much. It's gorgeous. I think I mentioned I use Casting Craft. I love it so much. And Bond Crafter, I mean, look at this. It's already blooming. It's not a fast cure resin, but it's sure blooming like it is. I love it. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I think I got all the bubbles. Man, that's awesome. And I did start this little lizard the other day. I just had some extra, so I'm just gonna fill them up again. Maybe I'll do, in the bottom part, you're not gonna see it as much because I've already, you know, I put some clear and then I just threw in some red, white, and blue. Man, I swear that looks like icing to me. And an icy pop, you know, some frozen icy pops. I don't know if they still make those. This is the mold from Pouring Your Heart Out, Julie Cuts. It's beautiful. I'd like to get some more, you know, different ones. She has a bunch of amazing ones. But with time, I probably will. You know, maybe as a Christmas present from my husband, hint, hint. Or birthday. Beautiful, I love that. I think they're both amazing. Sweet. Awesome, guys. I love it, absolutely love it. If you have any questions or anything, just leave me a message in the comments. If you're not subscribed, please do. It helps me know people are interested, and I really appreciate it. And hit the like button if you like this video. Anyway, I'm gonna let this cure, and then probably put a black back on it, and then we'll post it. I don't know if I'm gonna show putting the black back on it, but I will see you soon. Bye. All right, let's take a look at this. Oh, I love it. Sweet. I love this. I hope you guys like it. Awesome. All right, guys, I'll get a picture posted, and awesome. Thanks for watching. See ya.